Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are family matching quotes t-shirt set, and this is baby bear photos. You can print it on your shirt, white and black and white. So, and brother baby bear, her brother, you can check it out, and also in SVG format. And mama bear, her written mama, same again, and papa bear and sister bear. Also available in SVG format, and there is graduate family. You can check out this 5 old brother of the graduate. You can easily print it on your t-shirt and other same like these are other data. And for example, just open this, you can check out this image in PNG format and SVG format and also the format. You can easily download it from the link in the description. Just need to click this link and you will reach my website build GFX, and here you can download. And this is about the what you are downloading, and this is your contact info. You can contact us, and there you can leave your comment. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Take care.